What's going on, guys? It is Ink by Gaming here, bringing you back to another Pokemon Diamond Nuzlock. In the previous episode, we made it here to Pastoria City. We got our marsh encounters, which we'll get a quick look at, just in case you guys missed out on last episode. Definitely go back and whatnot. We are going to look over what we got. We got, I believe Jewel. Let's here. We'll go by. There we go. Great Marsh. We got Flowey. We got Juno. We've got Charlotte. Mr. Berg. Fuego. Gold King. And that was all the encounters from the Great Marsh. They were in the separate sections, so that's how I was going to break it up. There's section 1, 2, and I believe it goes up to 6 sections, so that's how I did that. We did get a few power in the PC for the moment. If anybody dies, they definitely will be some replacements there. I did get everybody to level 32. By the look of it, the gym leader's ace is about like 30 to 31. With the level increase, I needed to make sure that I was okay and or on par, because potentially anything can come my way and wreck my world. We are going to pull up, though, if my tablet will let me, so I can actually look at it. For the moment. Alright. Oh, why is it on the Pokedex entry of this Pokemon? I boosted up and it's Barboach staring me in the face. I must have, like, misclicked or something. Can you backspace? Okay, so his ace 30, which will be increased to, like, either 31 or 32. So we just had to make sure that we were somewhat on par. But we're going to get a quick team recap. We have Ozzy holding the Luck Incense, because potentially get more money out of Ozzy here. Crobat. We're Gentle Nature with Inner Focus, with Confuse Ray, Bite, Fly, and Astonish. And we have Crawdon. Or not Crawdon. Mr. Krabs. The newly evolved Crawdon. As I was training up Mr. Krabs, the crayfish, crowfish. I don't remember. He evolved. Modest nature. Actually, there's not that, there was a major difference when it was a corfish. There we go. But it's quite close now. The attack is still higher, but that special attack is almost caught up. But we got Bubble Beam, Knockoff, Fire Fang, and Cut. And we have Sonic the Electrode, Careful Nature with Soundproof, with Charge Beam, Sonic Boom, Spark, and Rollout. And we have Johnny the Wishcash, Modest Nature, with Anticipation, Water Pulse, Water Sport, Water Gun, and Magnitude, with all those water-type moves. We got our big boy Snorlax here, Adamant Nature with Thick Fat, with Mega Kick, Lick, Belly Drum, and Rock Smash. And we have King DDD, the Prinplup, holding that Sea Incense. I did also forget to say that he has the Wide Lens, big boy. Prinplup, Quirky Nature, with Torrent, with Tackle, Metaclaw, Bubble Beam, and Peck. And that is it for now. In today's episode, I'm thinking that we are going to take on the gym. There is something I'm supposed to get in here. Let's see. There's the HM. I gotta find where the HM is. Near the entrance is the lady. Is it this lady? Give me a berry. Okay, so not this one. Is it this lady? No, 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 no. Okay. Is it somebody upstairs? Nope. You? I know I'm speeding this up. Okay, you? Okay, it says... Firstly, go to the Pokemon Center. Oh, it tells you, like, step by step. Lady... Pay the fee and talk near... Did I completely... I should have... Okay. Hold on. We're gonna pay to get HM... The HMO... defog. Okay, it says to go in. I'm gonna be really upset if I go in here. Okay, so is it this lady? This looks like a lady. So literally we paid $500 for the HM move defog. Yeah, I'm done. No, my time's up. Stop time. Yes, I would love to. Okay, relieve you of the balls. They should have let you keep the... Like, if you didn't use them all, they should have allowed you to keep them. Alright. I just had to make sure that I had that. Okay, deep breath. Please don't lose anybody. Last gym was actually fairly easy. Please. Alright. I do quite remember this gym from when I did my Pokemon... my Pokemon Platinum Nuzlock that never actually got to be finished. We are going to battle every gym leader. Every person in the gym. Okay, so we got a Drowsy out here. A Bite. So we do outspeed. Ooh, didn't one-shot it though, but we flinched it. Alright, so that is the little boy in the front. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trainers in here. There is 2 trainers with 2 Pokemon, 2 trainers with 1 Pokemon, and another with 3. Alright, so this guy... Oh, wait, hold on. Bring that up a bit. Wait, do I have to bring that up? No, I don't need to bring that up. Bring it back down, please. Bring it back down, please, because I have to be able to go forward down here. Okay, so our next trainer is this guy. Okay, who are you? The trainer with 1. Originally you have a Barboach, but now you have an Ampharos. I'm gonna say no thank you on this. Yeah, no thank you on that. But you'll get a Magnitude 8. Bye-bye. Okay, so that was the 2 trainers with 1 Pokemon. I know, people are probably like, oh, you're reading onto how many Pokemon they have, and you're gonna avoid them. No, I'm literally gonna face all of them. Alright, so go this way, this way. Now it's gotta be the next 2 trainers that I come into contact will be the Pokemon trainers that have 2 Pokemon. Because I think that's how, even though they didn't have it in order here, I feel like that's how it's gonna... I'm gonna attempt Fate. Pound. Good, you don't know a Psychic type move, apparently. We flinched it. Awesome, this is gonna be big experience, though. A Rattata. Yeah, we're gonna swap, and we're going to get Big Boy out here, because Big Boy knows how to punch things. Knows how to kick and punch, but we got Rock Smash. That does absolutely nothing. Bye. Alright. So we were able to take down Clerk Jessica. Top of your class? I don't think so. I don't think so. We're going to push the button. So we're going to go this way. We already faced you. Okay, so this is the tuber. The tuber. Christine, a Mighty Anna. A Mighty Anna. No, no, that intimidating, no. I'm gonna fly. Bye-bye! Roar, you were trying to get me out of here. You might be able to get me out of here if you... Yeah, there you go. Whoever you bring out next, I'm definitely... Yeah, there we go. My water pulse. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, next up is what? Soul Rock. I'm gonna stay in then. I'm gonna stay in. And I'm gonna water pulse this thing. Bye-bye. Okay, rich girl. Alright, so we've got two more trainers. So we're gonna face this guy. I don't know why. He's just sitting here looking out. I've landed a few fish. Blah, blah, blah. Well, you are a trainer with 3. Well, you're here to end my life right here and now. I was gonna say, I don't think now is where steel types are OP in generations yet. In this generation, so level 33, mean look. No, we'll keep our moves. Give up on mean look. We don't need mean look. Ooh, a Pelipper. A Pelipper. Whoa, let's get this garbage thing off my screen. With a charge beam. 4 times effective. Shouldn't live this. It should not. There we go. There we go. Alright, what's next? A Barboach. Well. What have we here? I'm gonna bring out Johnny. Barboach. This is what you potentially could be. He'd be like, Papa? Papa! I thought you went out for fresh water, and you never came back. He's like, yes, son. You must die now. I'm like, they're just flopping around. I'm like, what the f are they doing? Alright, let's get on to our last trainer. So we got this down. We can't go down that way. Go this way. This button? No. Because then we couldn't get back. This button. And that brings down the water over here for me to go this way. To go this way. To go up this way. And then take on this trainer? Ooh, a golem. Well, I might swap out. I'm gonna swap out to King Dedede to get at least a decent amount of screen time for everybody today. Well, that was a crit, but this bubble beam should be able to take you out. Shouldn't have to fear a golem. Alright, what do we got next? Lombre. Let's bring out Big Boy. Since Big Boy can't get, like, superly destroyed by it. We're gonna rock smash. Rock smash. Water sport. Well, you would have thought that I was a fire type, I guess? If I was a fire type? Okay, what you got next? A Mudkip? I'm gonna stay in. I'm sorry, Mudkip, but just gonna have to kick you in the face. Bye-bye. Alright, so we're almost to the gym leader. Almost there. He said something about washing his hands. Okay, so we got this. This is the last train. Oh no, we took on this trainer. Okay, so we are here. I'm like, up deuces. I don't have time for this. I'm gonna heal on up. I know the puzzle's gonna reset, but since I have this speed up button, it's gonna be like no time at all. Like so. There we go. Alright, so the puzzle did reset, so hold on. We will get there momentarily. So we go this way, this way, this way. No, wait, no. It was this way. Oh, wait, I thought I can... Oh, wait, no, that's higher than that, right? Oh, because it's lower than this. Okay, so we go this way, that way, this way, that way. Walk across here. Walk across here. Come on. Walk here. Do that. Do that. Get over here. Up here. There. And then here we go. Alright, stop. And we're going to save real quick. Because just in case if the recording goes down, at least I'll be able to redo this. But let's get into it. Welcome! I don't get challenged very often because people don't know how to swim. The glory you are now beholding is Pastoria's gym leader. That's right, I'm Crasher Wake. My Pokemon were toughened by stormy white waters. They'll take everything you can throw at them and pull you under. Drown you till you can't. Well, we're talking about murder here. Victory will be ours. Come on. Let's get it on. I know it says get it done, but I said get it on. Alright. So, what are you going to have for me? Cop Malcolm. You have a Gligar. Level 30. See, this is why I leveled up. I'm not afraid of this thing, but I'm gonna use Fly. I'm gonna use Fly because it can't hit me with a ground type move. I at least know that. What was it gonna try and hit me with? Screech. Wow. Wow. Gligar tried using Quick Attack. Again, you should have just waited for me to land. Okay, I'm gonna just try it. Try it again. Oh, now you got to hit me before I went off. So far to a good start. A Pokemon that I can actually handle. Well, at least with Ozzy. Aw, come on. I don't know why you did it. Why'd you have to do that? Why did you have to try and bring down my defense? We're just gonna hit Astonish. Never mind. Why would you try and save this thing? Okay, well, I guess I'll fly again. Alright, also I'm gonna eat some Cheez-Its. Oh, come on! Feint attack, why? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna use Bite. To end this. There we go. Okay, what could you potentially have next? A Chingling. I'm gonna swap out because you potentially have Psychic. I'll bring out Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs knows knockoff. And it's finally Stab. Because I'm part Dark type. Oh wait, this is the baby form. I was thinking of Chin Chow. I was thinking of like the wind chime Pokemon there. Didn't even have a chance. This is not her ace though. Neither one of these Pokemon was his ace. This last Pokemon will be his ace, however. Because the Pokemon that were beforehand were supposed to be level 27. Oh my god. Easy mode. The past 2 gyms were actually easy. I didn't lose anybody. I didn't lose a single soul. Yeah, see, I was perfectly fine to be at level 32 or 31, whatever I had everybody to. So I was within reason. I wasn't over leveled. How did that Beldum take that? It does no takedown, which is just gonna continue to hurt it. But I'm just gonna keep on biting. Oh, you have a berry. Citrus? Yes, a citrus berry. You flinched. The berry means nothing now. Okay, so... Oh, I was gonna say, if we could get another flinch... Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now... because I normally don't do... But I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. I love Ozzy. Oh, I was gonna say, I love Ozzy. But I was like, I'm gonna risk it. Now I'm not gonna risk it, because there's no way in hell that I'm losing Ozzy from right now. Super Potion or Hyper... You know what, let's go with Hyper Potion. On the safer side, so we're fully healed. Would be nice. Okay, so... This Beldum did not take anybody's life. Nor did anybody that in the gym. There was, you know, that trainer that had a Mew. But that was about it. The takedown missed. Awesome. I wish that if takedown missed, it still took damage to itself, because technically it's still trying to hit you with its full-on body. I feel like it should have been a move that took recoil damage regardless. I know that, you know, mechanics like that just aren't in the game. Huh! It's gone and ended. How will I say this? I want more. I wanted to be battled to, like, I was beaten to a pulp. And then I'm like, sorry, Wake, I can't do that. Pulled it under. We're just going to speed right through here. We're going to make sure that we double check if you need the Hidden Moon Defog. Special reward. TM55. TM55. Oh, grass whistle. Like, we totally need that. Okay, thank you, I guess. Alright, let's go back. Let's go back. To heal up. And then next up, figure out what we're doing next. Okay, now I see where we're gonna have to do. So after we do this, we talk to this grunt. Yeah, the package just finally came from Vilestone Warehouse. Yeah. So now, it's my job to deliver this to the lake. This is an important mission for such a person of my stature. No failure is allowed. No making boo-boos. Like wandering off into the great marsh. You're eavesdropping. I was talking loudly to myself. If I wasn't in a hurry, I'd pulverize you with my Pokemon. But I have to get on my way to the lake ASAP, so you're lucky. I'm out. Oh, listen up, you. Don't you dare follow me. I am gonna follow you. I kinda, you kinda stopped. I don't know why you didn't just keep going. A persistent pest. If our plan works, our boss's dreams come closer to fruition. Our boss's ideal world is going to be created. So I'm not getting wasted. I'm not going to waste my time on nobody like you. I'm telling you now, don't you dare come chasing after me. I'm gonna say good thing I healed, because now I'm looking down and I see that there was a rival battle. Whoops! I'm not always going to plow into you every time we meet, are we? So how's it going, Ace? Buffing up your Pokemon, eh? I'll test you and your Pokemon out to see how buff and tough you are. Couldn't we just talk this out? Oh my god, 4 Pokemon! Sanjon is a nurse. I didn't even notice that. It's Mantine. I'm gonna swap. I am going to swap, and I'm going to bring out Sonic. Sonic is here to save the day. I don't think you'll outspeed me. We missed? What? No way that's possible. How can you miss? How can you miss such a wide-looking Pokemon? It's super effective. We do get the boost, though. Okay, so this Mantine should go down. I'm just hoping that Sanjon has not brought Pokemon of Destruction. The last time we battled, he completely took away... I forget who he took away. It was too soon. Milotic. Well, I'm staying in. Staying in. I got the +2 I got the +2. I'm just gonna charge beam. Sonic is here to save the day. +3. Wow, you could have really have hit me with a lot of other stuff. But you hit me with Twister. A move that's not really that powerful. Okay, let's see what your next Pokemon will be. Wow. I'm going to my special attack boost again. Okay, so what's next, Samjon? Samjon sends out a Magikarp. Well, I'm sorry to tell you that you think this is the best Pokemon right now. Evolve it, and then it would be the best Pokemon, but, I mean, I still would be able to take it down with a Charge Beam. Eevee-Light Magikarp. That might be a thing. Okay. Special attack rose even more. Alright, what do we have next? Samjon sent out a Beedrill. I'm gonna stay in. I know it's not super effective, but I've got the pluses in most of my stuff, so. Get that stab, Charge Beam. Ho ho! I so thought that would have taken this thing out, but it did not. Okay, Samjon, you actually gave me some work. Okay, but we're gonna speed right past this. What happened? You're telling me I lost? Yes, you lost. Yeah, maybe you did get a bit tougher since the last time. That even shocked me a bit. So yeah, I got beat because I was careless. So hey, was that Team Galactic guy all freaked out about? I don't know what he's up to, but it's sure you should chase him down. If you're not a Pokemon, and you run like that, you definitely are a bad guy. Alright, Ace, next time, I am not holding back. Okay, Samjon. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep on chasing this guy down. Because I don't battle him yet. We needed the energy from the Valley Windworks to make this. It would take a scientific genius to make something like this. Therefore, our boss, who made this, is a scientific genius. Gah! Eavesdropping again. I was just thinking out loud. Jeez, leave me alone. You're just a persistent pest. You're getting tired of running away. But I'm not going to waste my energy knocking you around. Okay, so I battled those kids. So we're gonna get to... I don't know if we battle them yet. I don't wanna... Okay, so I don't wanna start the event of beating this guy down. So, I'm going to end it right here, right next to this guy. And I will pick it up in the next episode. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye.